Welcome to our video titled Top 6 Baseus Car Accessories for Safety, Convenience, and Fast Charging. If you're looking for innovative car gadgets that improve your safety, provide convenience, and enhance your driving experience, you've come to the right place. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. The Baseus 3-in-1 Car Safety Hammer is an essential tool for any driver. This tool is specifically designed to help you in case of an emergency. With its powerful tungsten steel spike, it easily breaks tempered glass, allowing you to escape from your car in a critical situation. The tungsten steel has a hardness rating of 55 HRC, which makes it strong enough to shatter metal and glass, ensuring you can exit your vehicle quickly when time is of the essence. Another key feature is the razor-sharp U-shaped seatbelt cutter. This tool allows you to cut through a jammed seatbelt within seconds, preventing you from being trapped in the car. Number 5. The Baseus 2-in-1 Car Air Pump is a game-changer when it comes to tire maintenance. This portable tire inflator comes with both wired and wireless modes, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. Whether you're on the road or at home, this pump can handle any situation. It features a 6,000 mAh large-capacity battery, which not only powers the air pump, but can also be used as a power bank to charge your devices in emergencies. This dual functionality makes it incredibly convenient for long trips. With the high-precision air pressure sensor, you can monitor the real-time pressure of your tires, ensuring you avoid sudden decompression or overinflation. The Baseus Air Pump also has a detachable flashlight for extra convenience, so you're prepared even when the light is low. The auto-stop filling feature ensures your tires are inflated correctly, without any risk of overfilling. This product is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, portable, and multifunctional tire inflator. Number 4. The Baseus Airplane Phone Holder is a must-have accessory for those who travel frequently. This ultra-thin, portable magnetic phone stand is compatible with iPhone 12 through iPhone 16 series models. Its strong magnetic suction ensures a secure grip on your phone, even without a case. The 360 degrees adjustable viewing angle allows you to customize your phone's position for the perfect multimedia experience, whether you're watching movies or following navigation instructions. The versatile mounting options allow you to place the stand on walls, desks, cars, and even fridges, giving you a hands-free experience wherever you go. For iPhone models older than iPhone 16, a magnetic ring is included to ensure compatibility. Whether you're in your car or on a plane, this phone holder provides the convenience of hands-free operation in any setting. Number 3. Next is the Baseus 22.5W Magnetic Power Bank. This portable 10,000 mAh power bank is perfect for those who need a reliable charging solution on the go. It features a 15W Qi 2 wireless charging function, allowing you to charge your devices without the need for cables. This magnetic power bank is equipped with fast charging capabilities, ensuring your devices are powered up in no time. Number 2. The Baseus MVP 3-elbowed USB-C cable is a high-quality charging cable designed for fast charging and convenience. The 100W power capacity ensures that your devices, including iPhones, MacBooks, and Xiaomi phones, charge at lightning speed. One of its standout features is the ergonomic bent port, which prevents your hands from being blocked while charging, making it perfect for tight spaces. The cable is also equipped with an LED indicator, so you can easily see whether it's charging or not. With its wide compatibility, it works seamlessly with various devices, and the 5A maximum current ensures that your devices get the power they need without any risk of overloading. Number 1. Finally, the Baseus 60W Car Charger with retractable cable is a game-changer for anyone who spends a lot of time in their car. This car charger offers dual-port simultaneous charging, so you can charge 2 devices at the same time, including phones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices. The 70 centimeters retractable charging cable ensures that the charger stays tidy and organized when not in use, eliminating cable clutter in your car. It supports multiple fast charging protocols, including Samsung Adaptive Fast Charge, Huawei FCP, and USB PD, ensuring that your devices charge quickly and efficiently. With an output power of 60W, this charger can handle even the most power-hungry devices. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.